Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. Let's start out with an important investing fact. Not all dividend stocks are created equal. While many promise steady income over time, very few can deliver bigger yields and come at a relatively lower risk. So finding a high-yielding dividend stock is akin to finding a needle in a haystack. As an income investor, you want to find a stock that pays well, makes regular payout, and doesn't keep you at night with wild price swings. If your income investment is causing insomnia, is it really worth keeping it? And that's what we do at Income Investors, scour the haystack. With all this said, there's one income opportunity that income investors should get familiar with. It's called Eagle Point Income Company, Inc. They're traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol EIC. EIC stock offers robust monthly income. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Eagle Point Income Company is actually a closed-end fund, or CEF, with a primary focus of providing a high level of income to shareholders. The fund invests in junior debt tranches of collateralized loan obligations, or CLOs. At times, the company might also invest up to 35% of its assets in CLO equity securities and related securities and instruments.
And John, I think before we go into any details, I think some investing 101 is important here. Explain to us what is a closed-end fund and what is a CLO.
Yeah, a closed-end fund refers to a company that raises money from investors, which it uses to invest to generate returns. Now, a CLO is a collection of loans bundled together, and investors, like those holding EIC stock, buy different portions of it. Some portions are more secure and offer low returns, while others are riskier but provide higher yields. Eagle Point Income Company actually focuses on the safer, higher quality portion of these CLOs.
How is Eagle Point doing on the financial front?
Eagle Point is actually firing on all cylinders, and interestingly, it's happening in a higher interest rate environment. Now, generally, junior debt doesn't do that well in a high rate environment. This shows that Eagle Point Income's management knows what they're doing and has the ability to steer the company in the right direction, even when there are industry headwinds. February 20th, Eagle Point reported its financial results for the 2024 fourth quarter and full year periods. Regarding the fund's financial performance, and management noted that its fourth quarter performance capped off another excellent year for Eagle Point, and it continued to generate strong cash flows and return on equity of 21%. Now, for the second consecutive year, it generated 8 cents per share in realized gains, harvesting gains from securities that purchased at a discount. Now, if the management team continues to invest in a prudent way, it should continue to make EIC stock a compelling opportunity for long-term investors.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for a free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, I see that EIC stock pays a reliable monthly dividend.
Yeah, one of the most attractive things about EIC stock is its dividend payments. Now, while EIC stock can fluctuate, its dividend payout has been reliable. And getting regular payments can make a big difference in an income-focused portfolio. EIC stock currently pays 20 cents per share every month, or $2.40 on an annual basis. This recent filing performance, Eagle Point Income indicated that it will actually pay this amount until at least June 2025. Now, at the current pace, and assuming it remains the same for the year, EIC stock has an inflation-crushing forward dividend yield of 15.23%. Now, it's important to understand that over the years, the monthly payout has increased a lot too. For example, in 2021, EIC investors were paid 8 cents per share on a monthly basis. Now it's 20 cents per share. Just the last few years, EIC's monthly payouts have increased pretty whopping 150%.
John, thank you so much for your insights. EIC stock isn't the most exciting stock. In fact, one might even call it boring. However, for investors seeking consistent high income, EIC stock presents a great opportunity. The prudent management at Eagle Point Income Company has shown that it can invest and generate solid returns even when there are tailwinds. The institutional ownership in EIC stock isn't that high, at just 3.06% of all outstanding shares. The top 3 institutions own around 4 million shares of EIC stock, generating income of over $800,000 a month. And finally, one last point to note, 18.25% of the company's outstanding shares are owned by the insiders. This suggests that Eagle Point's insiders have some incentive to generate solid returns. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.